I'm telling you, anyone could do. My mother, who was a third grade school teacher forever, could totally do this. You need to shut your mouth. Okay, not a big deal. All right, I want to give you one of my best tips on handling rate that I learned a long time ago. And it's so simple and it's so easy that anyone can do it. If you're a little tripped up about talking about rate and some of the things in this blog might be overwhelming to you, or you've seen some of our other videos, this one, I'm telling you, anyone could do. My mother, who was a third grade school teacher forever, could totally do this one. The only one that might struggle with this if you struggle with math. When you're talking about rate to clients, there's a huge school of thought I learned, which is if you're asking them to pay more money, maybe it's an increase in coverage or a rate increase, or just in general, you have a recommendation for them. You always want to tell them about it in a monthly amount, even if they pay annually. So for example, if my rates went up $200 a year, it would be, well, that policy went up about $16 a month. And then you have to practice your silence because people are like, oh, that's not that bad. If you're saving people money, like you're doing a remarket, you're adding a discount in, you want to instead make that huge. You want to pump that up. You want to go ahead and make it like the best thing that's ever happened. And you use the total amount. Say, hey, well, by updating your roof, we actually are saving you $200 a year. Oh, wow. Thank you. The trick is that when you think about insurance, most people pay monthly. So $16 doesn't sound too crazy. But when you're saving money, $200 sounds like my grocery bill for the week. That's awesome. I just saved groceries for a week. $16 sounds like, well, that's about lunch. So, okay, not a big deal. It's just a huge way that people can use quickly and efficiently, and anybody in your team can do it, of using monthly numbers when there's a rate increase. The key after you drop the monthly number, though, is the silence part. You need to shut your mouth because you have to let the other person adjust and think through it. Then the other component that you want to think through is letting the person just respond. Don't go over talking it. Don't go doing anything else. Just let the person respond. You'll learn so much about how they're feeling about their insurance just by clearly letting them respond. So your big tips, you're asking people to spend more money, you break it down monthly. You're saving them money, it's the annual number. And you will watch and see that so many people just go, oh, okay, thanks. I didn't think of it that way. And you're off to the races. You save yourself some time, effort, and energy. Also works if you're trying to get people to buy umbrella policies or renters, break it down monthly. That is our tip for today in dealing with insurance rate increases.